Here's how to download and install Telegram on your phone. Now, let's first open up the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or if you're on an iPhone, just open up the App Store. It works the exact same. All we're going to do is tap on the search button, and we'll search for Telegram. And it should pop up as the first option. Again, on either one, iPhone or Android, you can just tap on it and tap on the install. It'll download it to your phone. After you've done that, I'll show you how to set it up. So let's tap on the open button. And it says, all right, start messaging at the very bottom. And it says, all right, it needs to allow phone calls. And it should autofill your phone number here. You can see the country code. Make sure that is the correct country code. And just hit continue. And all you need to do is hit continue and allow. And basically just follow these prompts to allow everything. It might text you a code on here. And if it does, it should just auto-populate. iPhone, Android just has the same features here. And on here, I'm just going to type in my name, Trevor Nace here, can't spell my name, and hit done. And just like that, I've created my account. I can tap on let's hit allow, the little pencil icon here, and hit OK. And I'll start bringing in all of my contacts once I hit allow. And I can start messaging people directly on my phone through the app.